It's April and it's spring, and it's time to clear up the garden, and it's time to prepare the soil. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my soil ready to transplant, because soil is very, very important. You need good soil, rich, so we can produce more fruits. So let's get cracking. Okay, this is the flower bed I left like that from last year in the summer. As you could see, this was chili plant, and there's a few lettuce here. I didn't want to disturb them, so just to protect the soil. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to crush them, and this is going in the compost. So we're going to keep them. It's good to get rid of the junk in our lives, right? Even in our garden. I love spring. Spring is fresh. There's new things coming up. The sun is shining brightly and it's getting warm. Summer is around the corner. And it's so therapeutic to be in the garden, taking all the weeds. You know, I like clearing up my wardrobe. When spring comes, any clothes I haven't been wearing, I just give them away, so I have room for new. And the Bible does say, if a tree doesn't bear fruits, what do? We cut the branch and throw it away. There's so many things in our lives, so many junks, that the Lord is saying, get rid of them. Yeah, some people might be addicted to drugs. Some people say curse words. Some people might be, just have bad habits. Spring is here, so it's time to just get rid of the junk, so God can bring new things. And the Bible say, I will make rivers in the desert, in the wilderness. God can do new things in your life. Like spring is here, new plants coming out, the bulbs the daffodils trying to come out. And I encourage you, anything junk in your life, cut it off. And God will help you. God will guide you which way to go, but you have to be willing, really. Okay, so this is going to go in my compost. Yeah, and you see, I really didn't disturb the soil. I just, with my hand, just tidying up a bit, just take the weed, because it's good to leave the soil undig and untouched. It's called no dig, because underneath there's worms, there's protein, there's goodies in the soil, so you don't want to disturb it. So now what I'm going to do, here I have some manure, some cow manure. Yes, so I'm going to just to get a little bit of a kick for my soil, I'm just going to spread them everywhere and ready to plant. So I'm going to put 2 bags because it's a big plot. So now just going to get my rake and just give it a good mix. And voila, we are ready to plant. And here I had beans here on this little flower bed here, this little patch, and I've cut the leaves and I just left it there over winter, and you could see it's all dried up and it's becoming so beautiful inside. Last time I opened it, there were so many worms in here. And it was so beautiful, really. You see, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful dark soil. So this, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to crush them very small, and I'm going to put compost on top. And that will be like a really, really beautiful compost. And they're going to get moist. I'm going to water them, and they're going to dissolve. So that's something you could do as well. And one more thing I want to show you. Here was a bit of a jungle here. There was weeds, there was grass. The soil wasn't really, really good. So I've decided only once I'm going to do that. I tilled, I really rotate the soil, really give it a good mix. I bought a little machine and I'm going to show you later what it is. Just till everywhere. You could see here the soil has become so lovely, so soft, really beautiful. It's only once I'm going to do that. And next year when I plant, and I'm not going to touch the soil, I'm going to leave it like that. So to get some goodness, and I've got this fertilizer, the black cow compost. So I'm going to spread that around. Yeah, this is where my radishes will go here. I planted those radishes on the 24th of February, so now they're ready to come out. And here, as you could see, I've already planted a few here. I've got red cabbage, green cabbage, I've got broccoli and Brussels sprouts. So they love cold temperature. And here as well, as you could see, there's a lot of trees, there's a lot of shade as well. We get sun but partly shade, so this vegetable love the shade. They don't like too much heat or else they bolt. So get cracking, prepare your soil, and please send me pictures of your garden, your vegetables, and I hope that help you. Good soil bear good fruits, and that's how we should live our life. Anything that's like not right, Lord, help us. And we're praying for you. God bless you. We love you. Bye.